All right, hey gang. So we are about to install the oil sending unit. I'm going to try to position the camera so at least you guys can see what the heck I'm doing. Should be pretty straightforward. So Amazon sent us the oil position sensor. I went with the AC Delco. I know there's a bunch of other brands out there, but I just don't trust it, and I don't really feel like doing the job twice. So we went with the AC Delco one. Hopefully this is the right one. Looks like it, but I didn't pull it out yet. Then I also ordered this special 1 1/16 socket for the sensor for removal. Should make the job go a little easier. And that's pretty much all we need. I'm going to try to use this pick because you can't see it, but down in there, here's the sensor here. You got to lift that tab up. I was hoping, I had one with a pick, but I can't seem to find it, so I don't know where it is. It's probably in my son's toolbox. Okay. Yeah, that's not going to work. We need that one. All right, so another thing we can try to do. Anybody know what this is? If you're a painter, you might know what it is. I'll give you a hint. It opens up paint cans. Found at your local Home Depot. Or as I like to say, at the Homey Depot. So let's see if we could use this. You know what? Hold on. Is there a slot in this? No, there isn't. All right. I was thinking that maybe perhaps if that socket was like an O2 sensor that had a slot in it, which you could have fit right over the wire, and this is not going to work. Let's get a big screwdriver. Okay, that was pretty easy. There you have it. Let's see what that looks like. Hard to see because I forgot my glasses, but it looks like there's some, I hope that's dielectric grease in there, to be honest. Can you guys see it? There it is. Doesn't look that bad. I'll take it out and see what we got going on in there. Don't yell at me for using this big, huge extension. I'm just too lazy to go to the toolbox. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Oh, this was loose. This was not even tight. There's no filter in there. That explains why I couldn't find one. I'm guessing because this thing was loose, it was probably just not making a good seal. But nonetheless, we're going to replace it. All right. 126-77836. I don't know, it looks like somebody had this out once before, because it doesn't look like it was been in there for a while, but it looks like it's 1297A. I'm not really sure. It's got 3 prongs. Of course, the lighting doesn't help. Not really sure if you're supposed to put anything in here, but I'm thinking maybe some dielectric grease around the connector, around here, to help seal that out. I would like to clean that, but I'm afraid that if I touch it, I'm going to get some oil down in it. Sorry, not oil, some dirt down in the oil. So I think I'm just going to leave it. This does not quite fit. Interesting. Is this the wrong part? I mean, it'll grab, but I really would have liked it to have been a little tighter. So as you can see, having this hole, make sure it's going straight. Yeah. Having this hole accessible certainly is making the job. I don't know what the torque spec is, but I'm not going to crank it down too hard. I'm going to go find a little bit of grease. This is a little corrosion block grease, and I'm not going to put this on the connector in the terminals, but it's to be, I'm putting this around the opening of the connector or the boot. And I'm doing this because I want to prevent any water from coming in. just a little bit. And now the hard part is to put the connector back in. Oddly enough, the connector is pointing towards me, where when I disconnected it, it was pointing towards the passenger seat, and it was loose. So, but now we know that this connector is secured. And there you have it. That is done. Okay, let's get you guys in here. Where's the key? Let me open up the garage, because shouldn't start the car inside the garage. Okay, no pressures yet. Let's see what we got. Hopefully the battery's charged. Nope. All right, we got to get some juice in there. It's funny because I charged this thing earlier. Remind me later to edit the video for some of this stuff. Okay, gang. There we go. We got oil pressure. That's problem solved. Got 40 pounds of PSI, that's good. So, I like that. Gotta figure out what's going on with the check engine light. Most likely it's probably because of the battery, because the battery died. So let's take a quick look and see what we got going on. Something's rattling in there, I'm not really sure what it is. We had that P58 code. Let me show you that again. You see that? It's a 1518 code. I had looked this up earlier, and it had something to do with a dead battery, which we do have. And ECM loses power. So we're going ahead and we're going to erase that. Now the check engine light's gone.